What's up, everyone? I had to make a YouTube video. For my 4th of July weekend because even though I did not technically vlog the entire weekend, I have a lot of little clips and photos that I'm going to be able to throw in this video. It's really a 4th of July I want to remember because it's the first 4th of July in a long time where I just had an absolute blast. So my day started out pretty early. We ended up playing some Sega Genesis and Sega CD. And then after that, we ended up heading to Atlanta at about 6 o'clock or so. We went to this dope Sub-Zero ice cream place where they made like this nitrogen ice cream. It tastes really good. The only complaint is it was like $7 per cup, and it just wasn't worth $7 per cup. It's really good ice cream. Sub-Zero at Centennial Park. Totally great. Hydrogen peroxide. I don't remember what kind it was. Ice cream. Hold on. It was nitrogen ice cream. Then after that, we took these photos here of us all hanging out together, and of course, Kaylee started learning how to do cartwheels. I think we're going to have to end up putting her in gymnastics classes for certain. We then saw a fantastic fireworks show that had what I thought was multiple grand finales that were not even grand finales. Here's about a minute of that footage. Is the last minute of the fireworks show that includes the grand finale, which again I thought was spectacular. So then after that, the following day on Friday, we got up early. We were under waterfalls, and we were at Six Flags Whitewater. We then ended the night with a new restaurant that I had never been to called Sage. It was over in Dunwoody. The food looked like this. It was spectacular. $35 steak plate. Can't complain at all. Would totally return. 2 thumbs up, but I can't use my other thumb because it's holding my phone. And then yesterday was a pretty relaxed day. Today we got up, we went to the lake, but I didn't record any of that. But I just had to go over some of my 4th of July weekend. If anything, show you what I felt was a great firework display that Atlanta put on with Coca-Cola and whoever else sponsored that thing. Did a great job. 2 thumbs up again. I think that'll do it though. I just wanted to run through that with y'all, show you a little bit of what I did. I'm trying to get back to consistently uploading something, so that's kind of what this is. I didn't really vlog it, but I had enough photos and videos that I felt I could put together a little like 5-minute video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you liked fireworks, and we will see you in the next video. Click that like button, click subscribe down in the corner. See you next time. Deuces. have snipers on the roof there.